Cheesecake Factory's Buffalo Blasts deserve a top 3 spot. Bold, buffalo, blue cheese. Blue cheese is actually good. Oh my god. The outer breading kind of resembles a chicken tender, and then it's stuffed with buffalo chicken. And apparently I fucked up by not getting the cheeseburger egg rolls. That's what the inside looks like. Dip it in some Thousand Island. I think this is queso. Oh my. This is good, but the ground beef inside isn't seasoned very well. And the sauces are okay. Good, but definitely not a top 3 spot. This, on the other hand, I would put this in the top 3.